another one. What we doing? Kicking it with my divas. Kicking it with my divas. Hey, kicking it with my divas. Hey, y'all, they did it. Oh my God. I'm gonna give y'all $2. I'm gonna give y'all $2 for that. Yes. I can't believe it. I'm about to cry. Oh my God. I had to tell them to do it. Y'all know how that be. Especially that one. Y'all know how that be. Y'all know how that be. To me, it was so together. All right. Extra. Read all about it. All right, y'all. We back with another one now. This time we are doing our favorite snack crate. All right, let's see where these snacks come from. Dun, 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 dun. Ukraine! The whoops is out. You know, Kayla, I'm worried. Like the Ukraine, I don't know. I don't even know an accent or
Is Ukraine Russia? Is it like Russia?
I don't know.
Is it even in Europe?
I don't know.
That's like Russian. The language.
Oh.
Like Russian.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the little words for welcome.
Any fun facts on that that's worth fun facting about? No fun facts about Ukraine?
Ukrainians wear their wedding bands on their ring finger of their right hand instead of the left.
Oh, that's awesome because we wear ours over here. They wear theirs over here.
And the Ukraine capital has the world's deepest metro station. It goes down 100.5 meters or almost 250 feet.
Wow. Me neither. That sounds interesting. All right, Ukraine. Let's see what y'all working with. What's y'all taste buds taste like? Gotta get my wipes. Like that face. She was supposed to get your water. She got you. You got a whole new juice. Oh, I told you to get you some water. We done started getting waters for these snack crates because we don't know what's going on. All right, this first one we have. Ain't not nothing in here English. So I'm gonna give it a go, and they're gonna give it a go. I see.
Ew.
Hello.
I see candy art. What you see?
I don't know. Can hot. That's what I see.
Cannot hot.
Cannot hot.
What
Can
if
hot.
Cannot.
Y'all say cannot.
What y'all think y'all see? I don't know. But clearly I see what it say. I lied talking about it ain't got no English words. It do. It say corn sticks. Corn sticks. Sour cream and dill flavored corn sticks. Might be kind of good. I don't know. I like sour cream and onion chips, kind of, and I like pickles. So let's see. It's a bag full of chips, though, cause you know in America the bags are down here. It's just be adding the chip bag, but this is full.
Sick.
That's a plus.
There they go. So what now?
That's a plus. That's a plus.
That's how you got to talk to them. Because they don't listen when you like, they go sit down. You got to put some bass in your voice. It looks like a tater tot cheese puff type of thing. Let's see. It ain't got no smell.
Good. I like it.
I like it.
Okay.
I like this.
I don't taste no deal though.
Yeah, I don't taste
No deal though.
though.
Wait a minute. What you know about deal though?
Didn't even know it.
No, because it's
What is the internet teaching these kids?
No deal though.
Okay, give me things.
no good though.
I don't taste any dill in the chips.
Why do I say no?
You said no.
I said I don't taste any deal though. Like you know, ain't no deal though. They're okay.
Oh,
They ain't got that much flavor, but they're not bad.
good. I don't taste that.
I tasted some deal though that time.
I don't taste no flavor.
Ain't really got no flavor to it.
I'm gonna eat on them.
Water break.
Juice break.
Water. All right. Next we have what my ex-husband used to call me, a lazy cow.
That wasn't. I'm sad.
He said that's why he my ex-husband.
Help!
You don't need to
Help.
put your personal business
Help.
out there like that.
I don't need your commentary.
Everybody's calling me.
I know it. I'm lying. Okay, let's put me on blast. Ain't nobody used to comment it. I just thought it was funny.
It's all loud.
I just thought it was funny.
Lazy cow!
With an angry face. Like, please. Ain't nobody's calling me that.
Okay, nobody called me that, okay? Let me have my moment. Can't even get a moment.
That was funny.
Lazy cow is all in English. I don't know. It looks like a I did not say a nutsack. I'm sick of this nasty stuff.
That's what it sounded like you was about to say.
A nutty buddy. Come back to earth. To earth. But I be loud. This nigga just called the wolf home. So stop laughing.
My head.
That's what I go through. Like, y'all think we be putting on for the city. This is real life. Like, all the time. We try to do something together as a family. We ready? Lazy cow, y'all. It looks like a nutty buddy on the picture. I'm not waiting anymore. Oh, it's big and thick.
Like an ice cream.
Big and thick.
Put down.
I got no smell. It do. That's my hand. I had the Lysol stuff on. It got a little smell.
It's just bread and chocolate.
It tastes like another buddy.
I don't like it.
I like it.
It's like that
Wait,
last
we didn't
one.
rate the last
I like it. Okay, we did it. I like that one.
I like this one. Wait, no, I don't. It's okay.
We forgot to rate this one, you guys. Bring it back. Whoop, 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 whoop. Janique, what you give this? A 10? What you give this, Kayla?
A 10.
What's up, you don't know?
I give it an 8. It's like if they had some more sour cream dust on that thing.
I'm sorry.
I give it a 10, but I give it an 8. You got juice. You got juice.
That's it.
Okay.
It's late. It's too late now.
All right. What you give this one, Johnny?
6.
Kayla?
5.
I give it a 9. I like this one. I like Nutty Buddy, so I like that one. Let me get another white. You gotta keep an eye on them. All right. These are on the back. It says cola flavor candy. On the front, it says fizzy boom. Fizzy boom. Fizzy boom. Here y'all go.
It's a sucky sucky.
Oh, you gotta suck it. So it might be another one. Oh, here go one for you, Kayla. This one say orange flavor.
I don't want
Fizzy boom.
Let me switch. I'll take orange.
Johnny got orange. Kayla got cola.
Like it all?
Yeah. Look like a cough drop.
It smells like Coke too.
Oh.
I'm glad I got this one.
It tastes like a cough drop too. I keep sucking it. Oh, something popping out of my mouth. It's like oozing out.
It's fizzy. Oh, you bite it.
I just sucked it.
You bite it. It's like soda.
It's fizzy. Oh, it's good.
It's like the soda candy that used to come in little soda bottles.
Oh, I can feel it.
What you doing?
I'm dying. I'm dead.
It tastes good, y'all. Don't get me wrong. I just don't like the feeling. It feels like when you mix baking soda and vinegar together and it goes. Blah, 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 blah. That's how it feels
I like
in my mouth.
I like the popper.
I like this pocket too. You ever had the soda candies?
No,
That's what it's like.
Yeah.
I'm crying. For
That
real.
was so extra.
Extra.
I just want to die.
Ooh,
The soda candy made it. Soda pop made it taste
I don't like it. I never had that many cry.
better. I just sucked it out.
Mama. Mama.
It made me just making my eyes tear up. I'm literally crying. That feeling is undescribable in
It's
your
not
mouth.
that bad, y'all.
I had a lot of things in my mouth. Ain't nothing never bust in my mouth like that. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Crying.
I don't like it.
Somebody come.
Somebody come and get her. Oh, Johnny, what you get at?
10.
Nasty.
I really like this.
What you get at, Kayla?
I'll give it 7.
I give it a big old
8 or 7.
0.
I like the feeling of the little.
Me too. I like how it poured out was good.
Yeah. And then when you just suck the out the thing.
I give it a 0. Mm-mm.
I had a cough drop.
No, ma'am. All right.
I don't know what's wrong with her.
It was nasty to me. Everybody's taste buds is different. All right. Next, we have so far everything that's sweet has been made by this company, Roshen. I don't know, but I guess that's popular in the Ukraine. They got all the money, so I would go work for the Roshen factory if I went to Ukraine. Yeah. This is dark chocolate. Looks like a Hershey with something in the middle.
It look like the chocolates that you sell at school.
Oh,
Yeah.
that'd be nice because I like them.
I don't.
You know, like the little chocolates in school with a caramel.
My favorite was milk. It's stuff in it.
Where you looking like?
It's stuff in it.
Maybe it's caramel.
It don't look like caramel. It smells nice. It's dark chocolate.
I
Oh.
like dark chocolate.
Oh.
Is it pudding inside of it?
It might be pudding. Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's not that candy.
It tastes good. It tastes like a raisin.
It tastes like, you know, the candy stuff you like having the chocolate and then like the cherry stuff.
Oh,
You
yeah.
love it. It look, it tastes like this little chocolate.
Y'all getting little crunchy pieces in it?
You.
Y'all ain't got no little crunchy pieces in it?
Oh, another one.
I don't like this.
I guess.
How you doing? You always licking something.
You go, Mom.
It's alright.
You know what?
To be dark chocolate, I like it.
I like the little stuff in it. I don't know what crunchy pieces you're talking
I don't like the stuff in it.
I don't know what the crunchy piece was. Might have been a piece of my tooth.
Oh my god, what it was.
It was something. A piece of that last candy still stuck in my teeth. I know what I was doing about the candy.
Please, can we rate it?
about. I'm forever be doing it.
All right, y'all. What y'all get is dark chocolate. That's him, Taylor.
A 5.
A 5.
No,
I give it a
3.
9 because I would have gave it a 10 because the aftertaste of the dark chocolate is really strong.
A 3. 3.
Okay, it's a 3.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me, y'all. All right. Next, we have selected peanut crisp. It's called.
Stay still.
Put my mom in face on.
Okay? Yes.
All right.
Yes. I heard it.
Dang.
It's not even that funny.
This one is called Big Bob Wasabi. I'm thinking it's looking like some wasabi, maybe. I don't know. I don't know.
Let me see.
Okay, I'm just gonna get back there in a minute. Let's see. You have to get 2 and just throw it in your mouth. Don't be scared. I got 2.
This is wasabi.
Can you pass it?
I don't want this. No. I know that was hard enough.
You gotta taste it. You don't know nothing. You gotta taste it.
It's literally on the picture.
Okay.
I don't know taste
You gotta
it.
taste it. You gotta be a part of the taste testing.
Oh my god.
Golly, you normally spit it out. I like it.
It's not good. It got nuts in it.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
It's not even that high.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the taste of wasabi.
It give you that wasabi pow. It's just a little pow. It's not hot though.
I like it. It got nuts in it and stuff.
Yeah, it's okay. I buy that at the store.
I want it.
I buy that at the gas station in Ukraine. Yes, I will.
Thank you.
What you give it, honey? You got
a 0.
what you give it, Kayla?
A 7.
I give it a 9. All right, good.
I give it an 8.
My daddy would like that. Can you pick it this one time? Just pick number one time. Yeah,
It's a hard decision.
it's not. It got a little kick like wasabi, but it ain't real hot like wasabi. I like that. All right, last one. This is called Black.
Cigarette.
It's probably got like some sour stuff.
I don't know.
I like the design.
Let's see.
It's probably like sour stuff. Like sweet salt.
Got a nice little smell. Vanilla, maybe.
What was this say?
And me.
It sounds like Oreo.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
It's like a Ukraine Oreo. It's
Like
okay.
fish.
It do smell like fish.
I don't smell no fish.
No.
It smells like vanilla.
The filling, the inside is nasty.
The inside is like an Oreo, so don't eat my Oreos then.
No, it don't taste like,
nothing like
it don't taste
Oreo.
like Oreo though.
It tastes like a cheap Oreo.
Nasty.
I like it.
Nice.
And it tastes like fish. I mean, it smells like fish.
It's like vanilla to me.
Fish.
Johnny, what you get is?
Zero.
Kayla?
Oh my god.
I give it a 7. I give it a 7. I give it a 7.
Did I give anything a 6?
I didn't get. I gave the Nutty Buddy a 10. That was my favorite.
I think the fizzy.
So which one had the most for us?
I like the chips.
I think the chips, that would be the first one. And the Fizzy Pops, that would be second place. And this one would be third place. Hold it up.
Whoa, Bubba.
Hold it up. Smile. All right. Which one was your favorite?
The chips.
The chips.
The chip.
These chips. Let me show you.
No, I can show you.
This is my favorite. These are my two favorite.
And the other chocolate.
I like the chips, those, and these.
Yeah.
These two are my favorite.
The chips, the chocolate, and the fizzy.
These are my favorite. Yes. So out of South Africa, Brazil, Germany, and Ukraine, which one was the favorite?
South Africa.
Last time you said Brazil.
I don't know. I don't remember them.
I think Brazil. Ukraine was good though.
Yes, I have to say South Africa's still my favorite because of the chips. But for the chocolate and nuts so far is Ukraine. Yeah. For me.
I don't remember none of them.
Ukraine chips got South Africa chips.
You like them better than South Africa chips? Girl, no. No.
I don't know.
South Africa had way more flavor. I remember. Could because I ate the whole bag, but I remember. I enjoyed South Africa better than those. Those need a little bit more seasoning on them. And that'd be good. Every time. They've seen it 3 times now. 3 times. Well, that was Ukraine. That was pretty good. I was disappointed with Brazil. I was disappointed with Brazil.
I like Brazil. I don't remember none of them though, so I'm gonna just say this one.
Okay.
I'm in Germany.
Yeah.
Germany was okay, but I was disappointed with Brazil. I expected more.
Yeah. I thought it would be like, no, but Brazil was like excellent.
It is. I know it's fancy. But I like these wasabi nuts. I really do. They're good. So far, Ukraine got the best nuts.
Yeah. I gotta be good.
South Africa got the best chips.
Brazil got the best chocolate.
For me,
Yeah.
for me, Ukraine got the best chocolate.
And I like that too.
And
Ukraine first in Brazil.
I don't know if it was cereal,
Oh yeah.
but Brazil got the best cereal.
Actually,
Germany.
That was Germany.
Yeah.
Germany got the best cereal.
what was the last one we had?
Brazil.
Brazil. All right. It's been real, you guys. We'll be back with another one real soon. Don't know what it's gonna be. We've been hoping it for Hawaii for the longest. We done had two since we was hoping Hawaii came. Send us Hawaii. I even take China. Somebody. All right, y'all. It's been real. It's been another one. Y'all been what? Kicking it with my D. Y'all been what? Kicking it with my divas. Kicking it with my divas. Hey, kicking it with my divas. Hey. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all again.